Number 8. Instant replay, hatid sa atin ang
Santana Park Shuttles and Clubs, Night, Cavite.
Away they go. Showmaster from the outside by the rails, Mike Treasure. Alongside Abon's Treasure, High Tower, second last, while Bonjour is the early trailer. Showmaster by a length, followed by Abon's Treasure. My Treasure is running in third by Darrell, and High Tower is racing in fourth by some 3 lengths, and a long way back to Bonjour. Passing the half-mile post, Showmaster, Abon's Treasure, My Treasure down on the inside, and getting closer in for High Tower, and a long way back to Bonjour. Rounding the far turn, Showmaster, My Treasure down on the inside. Abon's Treasure is racing third. High Tower getting closer in fourth as they raise the last 400. My Treasure down on the inside. Showmaster and making room by the rails. High Tower, 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. My Treasure in the middle, Showmaster on the outside. High Tower down on the inside, Abon's Treasure. Entering the last 100, Showmaster. High Tower down on the inside, Abon's Treasure. Showmaster, High Tower. Entering the finish line, Showmaster, Abon's Treasure. And finally, Showmaster, Abon's Treasure. Entry number 3, High Tower, My Treasure.